How to switch accounts on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Managing multiple Instagram accounts can be a hassle, but did you know you can switch between them in just a few taps? Today I'm going to show you how to quickly switch accounts on Instagram. So let's get started. Here's how you can switch between accounts on Instagram in no time. First, make sure you have added your accounts. Go to settings and tap on add account and log into your second account if you haven't already. Once added, tap and hold your profile picture in the bottom right corner or tap your username at the top of your profile page. A list of your accounts will appear. Simply select the one you want to switch to and Instagram will take you there instantly. And that's it. Switching between accounts on Instagram is super easy and saves you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.